Hello everybody, welcome back to another Shiba Inu token video guys. Once again I'm talking about Shiba Inu token, that what's going on in the Shiba Inu token, the price of Shiba Inu will pump or dump. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, if you're new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so make sure to subscribe now for more update and news videos guys. So guys, I think Shiba Inu again starting pumping guys, but in the right now situation Shiba Inu price pump gradually slowly, and guys very soon guys I believe that after 3 or 4 days the price of Shiba Inu pump will increase and the changes will become highly positive guys. Now in the right now situation is about 3.77% positive changes occur in the Shiba Inu token. The right now price is about 0.0003939 USD dollar guys. Absolutely guys, now Shiba Inu start gradually move, but guys I believe that in the end of 2021 there is a surprise from Shiba Inu token guys, so just hold it and never decide to sell guys. You know what, it is a low price coin, so just hold for 1 year, for 6 months, and forget it guys for a long time. I recommend for all of my audience a low price coin for a long time guys. Now the trading volume is going negative guys, but don't worry, don't decide to sell guys. Very soon the huge pump is coming soon, and as you can see here, we found Shiba Inu token is in the pump from price chart. Now they are also ready and the pump mode guys. From here they start pumping guys, and I believe now you can see here they are continuously slowly the price pump, but here they speed up guys. So now it is the end of 2021, that's why the price speed up. So guys, surprise is coming soon, just hold for a long time guys. And remember guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more update and news videos. Thanks for watching, subscribe now.